Hey guys, how's it going? So, St. Patrick's Day is upon us, and I'm in the mood to celebrate, as you can see. And I cannot think of any better way to celebrate than with these Irish pub burgers. Oh my gosh, you guys. Juicy burgers, crispy bacon, caramelized onions, and a delicious sauce. This is going to make your St. Patrick's Day celebration even better. Let's get to it.
All right, let's take a look at what we're working with here. I've got about a pound of ground beef. We also got some bacon. We have a whole onion that I've sliced up. We've also got some freshly shredded cheddar cheese. We've got some Dijon mustard, some sour cream. We're going to be using some Guinness. And we also have, for the burgers, patties, we're going to be using some Worcestershire sauce and some salt and pepper. Okay, we're going to start off by cooking our bacon. All right, we've set aside our bacon and let it cool on a plate. And we've also drained our pan of the excess grease. We're leaving a little bit in there to coat the bottom of the pan. And to that, we're going to add our sliced onions. And all we're going to do now is just let those cook and caramelize for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so while the onions are caramelizing, we'll turn our attention to our burger patties. So we've added our ground beef to a bowl, and to that we're going to add about a tablespoon of our Worcestershire sauce. Along with some salt and pepper. I'm going to form into 4 burger patties. These are set those aside. Next, we're going to go in with half a cup of our Guinness. And we're just going to cook that down, let it reduce by half. Okay, for the sauce, we're going to go in with a half a cup of sour cream, then 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, some salt, and just give that a mix. Perfect. Our onions are looking nice and caramelized, so we're just going to remove them, set that aside. Okay, it's time to get to grilling our burgers, finally. We have our grill pan set over medium heat. Just going to add some oil. Then we're going to cover with our shredded cheddar cheese. Going to cover that up and let the cheese melt. Right, cheese is nice and melted, so we're just going to set these aside. Lastly, we're going to take our buns and we're going to toast them. Very important that you toast your buns. That's what I'm talking about. All right, now the fun part, assembling our burger. So the first thing we're going to go down is with a layer of our delicious sauce. Next, for a couple toppings, I'm putting down some lettuce, tomato, and some pickles. Next, we're going down with our burger. And some bacon. And we're finally going to top it with there's caramelized onions that I've been caramelizing in that Guinness. Finish that top bun off with some more sauce. And that, my friends, is an Irish pub burger. Perfect for this St. Patrick's Day celebration. I hope you give this a try, and I hope you all have a fun and happy St. Patrick's Day.